how to create an account or log into PayPal. So if you want to either sign up or log into PayPal, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all open the PayPal app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now first off, if you do not have an account, you can tap on the sign up button from the bottom right here, and then from the sign up button enter the email address under which you would like to create a PayPal account with, then tap on the next option. After that you can just log in, or if you forgot your password, right? But if it's a new account, you will be asked to enter your login credentials and whatever else it is you want to use, like your name, your legal details, your address and payment methods. Then you will be able to go ahead and add it. Now another way that we can log in is simply come back and just make sure to enter the email address right here. So right here, just go ahead and make sure to enter the email address. So let me also go ahead and then enter my email address. Then after that, tap on the next option. It will ask me to enter my password. So once you enter the password, it will also ask you for a verification code sent to your email. Once you verify it, you'll be successfully logged into PayPal. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.